Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, I have solved your life science question papers. Now I want to solve physical science because many students requested me to solve physics question paper, but I don't know in the last moment I'm trying to solve the questions of physical sciences, whether it will be beneficial to or not. Whatever be the case, so rather wasting the time, I want to let you know the answer. See, at first, the name of the school is Coachbihar Government Model Madrasa. The first question is, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Keep it in your mind that only two gases are not greenhouse gases. One is nitrogen, another is oxygen. So find whether out of these two, which is one present, oxygen. If the vapor density of a carbon containing gaseous substance 13, vapor density of a carbon containing gaseous substance 30, which of the following is a molecular formula? Because it is known to you, m is equal to 2d. Here vapor density is 13, that means 2 into 13 is equal to 26. Now find 26 molecular is belongs to which compound? 26 C2, that means 12 into 2 24, 2 12 plus 6, 24 plus 6 30. This is not 24 plus 6, same, both of these compounds are same, CF2 and CO2. CO2 means 42, CF2, C12 and fluorine. Most possibly it is a printing mistake, but because both of these compounds are same, so I cannot get the answer. No problem, you can find 26. 26 belongs to which compound? You can find it in your book. Okay, no problem. Now 1.3. According to Boyle's law, which is the PV graph? PV graph is this one. If it is PV by P or PV by V, all are the same type of graph. Okay. And 1.4. Which is the value of PV at STP 11.2 liters of an ideal gas? Okay. PV is a PV equal to nRT. At STP, at STP, we know at STP 1 mole of gas occupies equal volume. 1 mole of gas equal volume is 2.2.4. But here it is find 1.2, that means half. So it would be 0.5 RT. This one. Metal with highest thermal conductivity. We know highest thermal conductivity belongs to diamond, but here it is silver because diamond is absent. And next 1.6, what will be the property of the image of a wide object placed at a larger distance from the convex lens? A. When a ray of light is incident perpendicularly on a transparent glass slab, then angle of reflection will be perpendicular, that means 0. If a charge 12 coulomb flows through the conductor for 2 minutes current, we know what is the formula? Let me see the formula because I can forget in this moment. Q by T. Okay, I memorize it. Q by T. Charge the current I is equal to Q by T. Here Q is the 12 and T is minute. 2 minutes, but you have to convert it into second. 2 into second. So 2, 6, 6, 10. So here it is 0.1. This one. Which of the following is the correct order of ionization power? Alpha, beta and gamma. In case of ionizing power, alpha is the highest. Okay. Correct order. Alpha, this one. Because penetrating power is highest is gamma. Okay. But ionizing power is highest, that is alpha. The order of oxidizing properties CL F and belonging to the group 13 of the long. potable. Oxidizing power. We know to memorize the metals in group 17, you should memorize just in such a manner that phokla boro ayat. Phokla means fluorine, then phokla klo means chlorine, boro means bromine, boro ayat, I means iodine, ayat at means astatine. Okay, in such a manner you can memorize this. Then order of ionizing property, that means phokla boro ayat, this one is correct. Phokla boro ayat, this one is correct. Which one? Because negativity is greater, so I think this one is correct. Atom with smallest atomic radius, because when we move from in each period of a Mendel period, if we move from left to right, then uh, atomic radius is decreases. So in that case, smallest atomic radius is how to memorize. Somya acid saccharova. So sodium, magnesium is absent. Somya aluminium, C silicon is absent. Acid phosphorus, saccharova, sulfur, clo this one. To memorize the period belongs to third, Somya acid saccharova. Okay, octet root is not followed. Phosphorus pentachloride. Keep it in mind. During electrolysis, oxidation is no reduction occur, this one. Because keep it in mind, how to memorize this. Pau means positive anode oxidation, and NCR means negative cathode reduction. Memorizing these two in such a manner, you can answer this question. Now, stainless steel is mainly alloy of stainless steel. To how to memorize what type of elements are present in stainless steel, you should keep it in mind that chronic, I means iron, chro means chromium, Ni means nickel, Co means carbon. Chronic, that belongs to stainless steel. So find which one is correct. Iron, nickel, this is correct. Copper is not, it is wrong. Aluminum is wrong. Chromium, what is this? Nickel, iron, chromium, nickel. If it is nickel, then it is correct. Okay, because I can find difference in printing mistake. Okay, no problem. The chemical formula of chloroform, that is CHCl3. Now fill in the blanks. The formula of zinc blende and ore of zinc is ZNS. Okay, I have written it earlier. In extraction of aluminium by the process of electrolysis, dash is oxidized, alumina, Al2O3. Okay. And the number of carbon dioxide molecules, 4.4. We know CO2 means carbon 12 and oxygen 2 oxygen, that means 32, that means 44. So 44 gram of carbon. I want to show it writing on the exercise book. 44 gram carbon dioxide contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 3 molecules. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 by 44. Now here it is mentioned 4.4. That means difference of 1 point. With 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 4.4 by, so find that it is 0.1. That means 6.022 into 10 to the power 12. This one. So here it would be 6.022 into 10 to the power 22. A mixture of 3 parts of ferric oxide and a part of aluminum powder is known as thermit mixture. Thermit mixture. The chemical formula is region K2AgO4, that means potassium mercury iodide. The energy of sun is produced by the process of nuclear fusion, fusion. Okay. The lowest theoretical temperature of gas at which volume becomes at the degree Celsius minus 237 degrees Celsius. The SI unit of coefficient of linear expansion per Kelvin. The melting point phase where should be low. Identify whether the following statements are true or false. Resistivity of alloys practically remains constant with changing temperature. This is true because alloys always remain constant of the temperature even after temperature increases or decreases. So it is true. In electrolysis, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. It is true. Prism creates color. Okay, this is also true. Acetylene contains triple bond. This is also true because we know CH triple bond CH. Electrolysis is done in voltameter. True. All minerals are ore, but false because all ores are mineral, but all minerals are not ores because the which we get from the earth crust, that is the mineral, but all metals from the minerals cannot be extracted easily, so it will be changed. False. 4 to 40%, this is true. Water boils. False, it would be 373. False. Alpha particles have highest penetrating power. False. Highest penetrating power. Alpha particles have highest penetrating. No, it is gamma. It would be gamma. So it is false. Now, an alkali metal. Students, to memorize alkali metals, follow this instruction. लीना के रब से फरियाद. लीना के रब से फरियाद. Lina, lithium. There is no lithium. Na is sodium. K is present. So 3 belongs to the first one. Element 8 valence electrons, chlorine. 2. Chlorine. 2. Most electronegative element. I have told you 17 group. You should keep in mind how to keep the elements of 17 group. Phokla bada ayat. So at first you find phokla. Phokla means fluorine. So this one. Metal liquid at room temperature. Mercury. We know mercury. Mercury means Hg. And metal coating to prevent rusting of iron. This one is zinc. Okay. So we are moving to the second set of physical science, and the name of the school is North Chobbish Parganas Government Model Madrasa. Let's start. Which one of the following does not deplete ozone layer? Here it is carbon dioxide. Which of the following is equal to 290 K? That means K in it is wanted by degree centigrade. So reduce it by 273. That means 17. The molecular weight of methane is 16. Molecular weight of methane is 16. Which of the following vapor density? We know m is equal to 2d. Okay, here molecular weight. That means here it is 16. Vapor density, so 2 in d. Therefore d is equal to 8. That means 8. This one. Which of the following is the highest thermal conductivity? Diamond. For which angle of incidence deviation is minimum during reflection? That means 0 degree. Which of the pair of the following two terminal color of pure spectrum at white light? We know VIV, G, or. That means 2 end. That means violet and red. Violet and red. This one. Violet and red. This one. Which one of the following unit of electric charge? Coulomb. What will be the equivalent resistance? Okay, I have to answer it in a exercise book. So what is this here? Parallel. In case of parallel combination, the formula is equivalent R is equal to 1 by First resistance 1 by 3 and second one 6. 6, 3, 2 plus 1, 3 by 6. That means 1 by 2. Therefore, R is equal to 2. So 2 ohm is correct. Which of the following is the correct order of decreasing power of ionizing gas? Decreasing power of ionizing gas. Decreasing power. Maximum ionizing power belongs to alpha. So decreasing power in order of decreasing. That means highest is alpha, beta, gamma. This one. This is not 13, it is beta. It is printing mistake. It should write just like this. Which of the following is not a transition element? Here calcium. Calcium is the alkaline earth metal. How to memorize all the metals belongs to the alkaline earth metal? I am telling you the short formula. बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. बेटा means beryllium, मांगे means magnesium, car means calcium, scooter means Sr, बाप राजी barium, Ba barium, raji means radium. So keep this formula in your mind so that you may not forget any metals belongs to the alkaline earth metal. Now next is, which one of the following is ionic compound? Magnesium chloride. Which one of the following is a weak electrolyte? Any type of organic acid is weak electrolyte. So here it is acetic acid. Which of the following gases can be prepared by Gibbs apparatus? We know hydrogen sulfide and another is hydrogen chloride. Hematite. Hem means red. Red means iron. Because you have studied in your life science book hemoglobin. Hem means iron is present in the hemoglobin. That's why it is red in color. So iron. Which of the following functional group is present in ethyl alcohol? OS means alcohol. Now 2.1, in which layer of atmosphere do storm and rain occurs? This is troposphere. What are the bacteria called which decompose biomass into methane in biogas? Methanogenic bacteria. Methanogenic bacteria. In stratosphere, temperature increases. Temperature increases with increasing altitude. What is the temperature in degrees Celsius at which volume of a gas will be zero at constant pressure? That means minus 273 degrees centigrade. At a gas at fixed temperature is kept in a closed vessel. Some more amount of gas, some same gas is added to the vessel without altering the temperature. What will be the change in pressure? Pressure will increases. What is the SI unit of coefficient of linear expansion of solid? SI unit of coefficient of linear expansion. Per Kelvin or either per Kelvin, it is the SI unit, and CGS unit per degree Celsius. Write down the relation between among the linear surface volume. That means alpha is equal to beta by 2 is equal to gamma by 3. What type of spherical mirror is used in headlight? Convex. SI unit of resistivity, ohm meter. From which part of an atom the radioactive rays emanate? Nucleus. Name a positive charged and particle. Alpha. As a matching the most electronegative element of group 7. I have told you the shortcut formula to memorize all the elements belongs to the group 17. Phokla boro ayat. So see, phokla means fluorine. Yes, fluorine is present. So here it is fluorine. And alkaline earth metal. I have told you this before. How to memorize all the metals belongs to the alkaline earth metal. Beta मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. Beta beryllium absent. मांगे magnesium is present. A metal which can be prepared by the carbon reduction. Okay, let's see the another question. Present in bronze, tin, Sn. It is Sn means 2. So what is remaining? Remaining carbon reduction, zinc. zinc. Which type of electricity is used in electrolysis? DC, direct current. What is used as electrolyte in electroplating of gold over silver? In electroplating gold over silver, that means gold means potassium orocyanide. Potassium orocyanide. If the sentence is reversed, then it should write potassium argentocyanide. Okay, because it is electroplating of gold. That means potassium orocyanide. Write whether the following statement true or false. During electrolysis, electrolytes conduct electricity through electrons. It's false. It should be through ions. What formula of precipitate when aqueous solution of ammonia is added to the solution of ferric chloride? Ferric chloride. That means ferric chloride FeCl3 ammonia aqueous solution. That means H2O. I want to show you that aqueous solution of ammonia means ammonium hydroxide. Okay, aqueous solution of ammonia means ammonium hydroxide. So here we can write FeCl3 plus ammonium hydroxide. NH4Cl and HCl and FeOH2. So this one is precipitate PPT, ferric hydroxide. That means ferric hydroxide. Where is the question? This one, ferric hydroxide. Formula of precipitate FeOH3. Let me see whether I am making a mistake or not. Ferric hydroxide. Okay, this is correct. And what change of color is observed when a few drops of aqueous solution of nitroprusside means violet color. Violet. This question is very important. Right, whether the following statements true or false. Aqueous solution of glucose can conduct electricity. False. IUPAC name of the following compound. CH3. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon means methane, ethane, propan, PROPAN. You should not write E. Okay, in case of group is added. All, then propanal, or you should write another alternative name because CHO group is present at one carbon atom. That means propan 1L. Okay. Which gas is liberated when sodium bicarbonate is added to acetic acid? Sodium bicarbonate added to acetic acid, CH3COOH. That means H would be removed only, CH3COO, and positive element Na would be added, sodium acetate. And as it is sodium bicarbonate, any bicarbonate compound will produce carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this reaction is and next one is write down the formula of organic compound produced in the first step substitution reaction of methane. Okay, methane SCH4 plus chlorine is light, diffused light, in presence of diffused light, where I can denote it by this CH3Cl and HCl. Okay, I've completed 2 sets of answer. Then I will try another day because it is late in night, so I'm ending here. Thank you.